Yeah, the brakes had to sit overnight. Got a little bit of oxidation. It won't be bad. Here's the other pad. It's worn down, really down compared to the new one. Wore down. It's got a crack in it. Basically wore down. We'll put some new ones in there. Okay, got that one in. Another set. There it is. 2 brakes pads are into the keepers. And here is the caliper. And that's going to go on there like that. I got to clean it up and press that piston back a little bit. Put it on there, put the 2 bolts on, then double check it. And otherwise, miserable job can be very comfortable and pleasurable by having some nice foam knee pads. Some old house insulation, outdoor foam insulation. Okay, we got that snapped in. Open up the caliper. I recommend putting a little bit of lithium grease, very light amount on this back side. To open up a caliper, I just use a piece of wood and a crowbar shimmed in there, not to damage anything. But basically, there's the piston. You got to open it up. You can use a crowbar like that. See that? There's the piston. It's not going to fit on there because of the old brake width. So you just stick that in there like that. Pry that over, just like that. There it is. Another 1/4 inch, and we'll have it. Time to get the gloves on. Another 3/16. A 1/16 of an inch. Oh boy. There it is. Amazing how this caliper is just held on by 2 small bolts, but that's the way they engineer it because there's no pressure on that per se. Okay, gonna get that tightened up and then check for movement, clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna put the tire back on after we check for rotation. Yeah, torque to specs. Torque to specs. Safety first, hot drinks second. Okay, we're done with this side. Checked out. Time to move to the other side. Let's pack it up. Let's go. Okay, pack it up. Okay. Let's just do the same with this side. It looks like it's starting to rain again. Oh no. Starting to get coming down now. Tried to get this done. Okay, I was able to get this done. I got this side done and all this jazz, but I got this side off. It was also worn down. It wasn't worn all the way down. It had a little wear tab that makes that screeching sound. Once I got that replaced out, we're good. I was able to save the rotors. They weren't damaged. The rotors were not damaged. They were still shiny clean and no grooves or scoring such and such. So got her done. Let's go for a test drive. Test drive. I'm gonna go for a test drive. Okay, slowing down, no scraping. Do a U-ey. Whoa, bounce it. All right, do a fast stop here. Okay, looks good. Get on to the next project. All right, all checked out. Both sides are tight. Ready to go. Farm fix. A farm fix.